take the equities from the private placement, and also going to form some kind of merger and acquisitions. But SWIFT company choose to take the option of public issuing. Public issuing means a company distributing their ownership right to the public against the investment in the company. It means, let's suppose I have a company. My company name is Sethi and Sons. That is a private limited company. So my entire ownership holded by me only. Now I want to expand my business. In that relation, I required a lots of finances. So what I'll do, I just go to the public and requesting to them, please invest in my company. I'll distribute my ownership as per the shareholding, whatever you invested in my company. In that condition, I'm just going to the public and requesting, please invest in my company. I'll give you a share of my company. So that is a public issuing. It means a company issuing their ownership to the public against some kind of finances. So I need to convert my company from private limited to limited so that public can also become a owner of my company. So whatever holding is present in my company, I'll become a owner. There is a founder, and rest of the person become a public. Now, me and public become a riskier if my company is going well. So definitely public also getting some kind of profit, but my company performance poor. In that condition, the public can withdraw the money from my company, and also they can bear losses. That is called a public issuing. So it is happening by the primary market. So primary market is a several processes, just like IPO, initial public offer, where you can issue your shares to the public and raise fund from the public against him. Second is FPO, that is following public offer, where company can again raise the money from the public for the new issuing the shares. And the third, offer for sale. In the offer for sale, the company owner, the company is already listed over the exchange. They want to dilute their shareholding towards the public, known as a offer for sale, OFS. So IPO, FPO, OFS, these are the process of public issuing. I hope you are getting my point, Atharv. Any question from your side? Okay. Anybody? Do you have any question?
Sir,
Yes, Krish.
sir, is there a limit to how many shares a person can buy?
No, it depends on the memorandum of association, a memorandum article. We can so-called document of public. So whenever you go into the public issue, you need to raise the red herring prospectus. So red herring prospectus is a document on which all the details are mentioned, how much company will raise the money, what are the share capital. According to them, the company can issue the shares. So depend on the company financial situation. If the company is bigger, so they can raise lots of money. If the company is smaller, so in that condition, company can raise a smaller amount or a little bit amount. So depend on the financial condition, how
So,
much company
sorry,
is bigger.
so example, if the net worth of a company is 5 crores, so the maximum shares of money it can issue is 5 crores.
No, it depends on the financial statements. So company value is 5 crore rupees. Now the investment banker will analyze the company's fundamentals and the financial situation. As per the investment banker, they will show you exact amount that this is the last amount you can raise from the public. Beyond that amount, you cannot raise the money from the public. So it depends on the investment banker. So investment banker is person who assists you to issuing the public shares or any kind of assistance that required for primary market. Just like Swastik InvestSmart. Swastik InvestSmart, not only a broker, it is also investment banker who assists to many company issuing their public issue like IPO, FA, and OFS.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ayush. You are asking something. Your mic was open. Okay. Any other questions, guys, from your side?
Sir, hello.
Yes, Ayush.
हेलो सर आप कोई पीपीटी शो नहीं कर रहे?
हाँ, जनरली मैंने अभी बेसिकली जो प्रीवियस सेशन है उसके मैंने क्वेश्चंस के लिए पूछा है। आज का सेशन अभी मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, तो एक बार आपके कोई क्यूएनएस हो जाए फिर हम आज के सेशन को स्टार्ट करेंगे। व्हाट इज एमसीएक्स एसएक्स? सो एमसीएक्स एसएक्स इज अ stock exchange, just like NSE and BSE, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Similarly, MCX SX is a stock exchange. If you want to know the full form of MCX SX, so the full form is simple Metropolitan Stock Exchange. It is also working like NSE and BSE. Is it clear, Ashwarya? Okay. Any other questions related to previous video? Else, we started today's session.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So I am presenting my screen. Hopefully, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Great. So our today's session is broker. So broker is a vital key of any industry. So let's how the broker is vital key and why we need to go to the broker for any kind of help or any kind of services. So let's understand about the broker first. A broker is an individual or firm that act as an intermediaries between two parties. A broker can also refer to the role of firm when it acts as an agent for a customer and charges the customer a commission for its services. It means broker is a mediator between two party, might be buyer or seller. So for the broker, you will charge a little bit commission on your services. So there are several brokers available in every industry. So these are the main brokers which are present in a lump sum amount: real estate broker, stock broker, insurance broker, and forex broker. You must have knowledge about the real estate broker. Basically, a real estate broker is a firm or individual who assists you to purchase or sell real estate, buildings, flats, commercial properties, and etc. They also provide the assistance to make a registry, to make a legal documents, or any kind of document which required to perform a buying and selling. So real estate broker is always present in your area. Let's suppose you want to purchase a house and you don't able to purchase a good house as per your need or requirement. So you can directly approach to the real estate broker. So they will suggest you a very good property as per your choice or as per your need. For this kind of services, they will charge a little bit commission on your property value. So let's suppose I want to purchase a house of 1 crore rupees. Now broker is asking me 2% commission on the property value. So what would be the exact amount of commission? 2% of 1 crore rupees means
2 lakh rupees.
2 lakh rupees. Yes.
2
So
lakh.
I need to pay 2 lakh rupees to the real estate broker so that they can help me purchase this property. So real estate broker is always present in every area. So you can easily approach to them. Second type of broker is known as a stockbroker. Without a stockbroker, you cannot imagine of investment and trading in stock market. The stockbroker is a vital key to entering in the stock market because you cannot directly came to the or directly approach to the exchange that I want to purchase the shares. The exchange will deny your order because exchange already made a member of exchange that is known as a stockbroker. So stockbroker is a member of exchange. So you need to go First, at the broker office, open a demat and trading account. After that, you can purchase or sell the shares in the stock market. Aryan, do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, can
Yes.
we become a stockbroker?
Pardon? Your voice is
So
break.
can we become a stockbroker? How we can
Yes.
become a
Yes.
stockbroker?
For become a stockbroker, you need to fulfill the compliances that you need to have a certain kind of certification, and also you need to deposit the money to the exchanges. That may be 1 crore rupees or 2 crore rupees as security money, because stockbroker has a lots of responsibilities to perform in the stock market. So you need to pay at least 2 to 3 crore rupees as a security deposit for the several segments. In equity segment, you required a different deposit. For the commodity segment, you also required a different deposit. For the currency segment, you also required a different deposit. After that, you need to take certain certification from the exchanges along with the SEBI. Then after, you can become a stockbroker. So stockbroker is a very, very typical process that requires lots of money and lots of certifications.
So once we became a stockbroker, we can make as many as clients we want.
Yes, there is no restrictions. If you are a stockbroker, you can make many clients. There are no restrictions.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So stockbroker are licensed intermediaries affiliated by particular stock exchanges in the country who perform trading on the behalf of the investors. So likely real estate broker, the stockbroker are also doing the same thing, but without a stockbroker, you cannot enter in the stock market. How?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can we get a loan to pay the security money for the stockbrokers?
you can do anything, but if let's suppose your business not going well, in that condition, you also need to pay the EMI of the loan. So it is better you need to pay the hard cash money. If your business is not working well, you are in the losses. In that condition, you don't need to pay EMI. So always require the cash money. And before become a stockbroker, the exchange SEBI also check the net worth of the person. How much net worth holding by the person. You need to submit your statement, bank statement, your property value, your cash value. After that, you can become a stockbroker. So you cannot take a loan for become a stockbroker, because SEBI
Okay.
along with the exchanges will scrutiny your financial documents. So in India, two types of broker are available. Number one, full service or traditional broker. There is a very uh, convenient broker, a full service broker or traditional broker serve all in one deal when it comes to the trading in the security market. So securities market and stock market both are similar word. Don't be confused with that. Securities market and stock market are synonym words. In addition to providing a platform to trade, they also act as a personal financial advisor and consultant. It means traditional broker provide you hand holding services. They will provide you personal financial advisor. They will provide you personal consultation. They will provide you advice to purchase or sell the stocks. They also provide you multiple investment option within one roof. You don't require to open a different accounts for the different services. You can easily invest in the several services with the one demat and trading account. So due to providing lots of services, their brokerage charges is higher in compared to other category of broker. You can see on the screen in the in the yellow color, they charge brokerage on the percentage basis on the turnover or trade value. So let's suppose if I purchase a stock of 1 lakh rupees in an intraday basis, so I need to pay 0.03% brokerage, that would be 30 rupees. So for the 1 lakh rupees of trade, I need to pay 30 rupees as a brokerage. Now, what is intraday? Intraday means same day trading. If you purchase the stocks on the same day and sell this stock at the same time, that is known as an intraday trade. You are not carry forwarding your shares for the next day. You purchase the shares on today and sell the shares before the market closing. That is not an intraday day. And delivery means you hold your shares for the long term reason. 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 10 year, so long. So delivery brokerage is different percentage and the intraday brokerage is different percentage. Okay, Hardik, GTT means good till trade. So you can place order which is going to pending for the 365 days. Let's suppose the current share price is running 500 rupees. I want to purchase the shares at only 400 rupees. So you can place a GTT order within 365 days. Whenever the price reaches 400 rupees, your stock will be buy automatically. That is known as a GTT. Similarly, you can place a sale order. Let's suppose the share price is running 500 rupees. You want to sell the share at 1000 rupees. So you can place a GTT order of sale at the price of 1000 rupees. Whenever the 1000 rupees will come within a 365 days, your share will be sold automatically. Ashwarya, all in one deal means you can invest in a currency market, as well commodity market, as well future and options, as well equity market. Also, you can invest in mutual funds, IPO, insurance, and different kind of instruments like bonds, sovereign bonds, gold bonds, ETF. These all services will be available at a one single account that is provided by the full service broker or traditional broker. Now, what about the second category of broker? The second category broker is known as a discount broker. So discount broker main focus to provide a platform for you to trade securities in the stock exchanges and charge a commission or brokerage for it. The advisory and consulting element is not included in a discount broker services. It means discount broker will provide only a trading facility. They will provide a trading platform just like mobile application, website, or terminal. They will not provide any kind of financial advice and recommendations, or also a relationship manager. You need to do by yourself. Let's suppose you are an investor and you are very beginner in the market. If you open an account with a discount broker, so you need to purchase, sell the shares by your own, by your knowledge. They will not recommend you that this shares is very good, you need to purchase it. Now the prices came, you need to sell it. They will not provide any kind of recommendation. You need to do trading or investment by your own knowledge. Due to the reason their costing is cheaper in compared to the traditional broker. That is the reason if you open an account with discount broker, maybe for the delivery trade, they will not charge any kind of commission, or for the intraday, they will take only 20 rupees maximum charges on your order value. So if we're talking about the example of traditional broker, so these are the traditional broker. Swastika, ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, Motilal Oswal. We shall talk about the discount broker. So these are the discount broker examples. Zerodha, Angel One, Upstock, and Grow.
Sir,
Yes.
how can you explain the discount broker again?
A discount broker will provide only a mobile application or trading platform so that you can place order by online through the mobile app or website. They will not provide you any kind of recommendation. They will not provide you this share is very good, this share is not good. They also not provide any kind of relationship manager. Let's suppose you are in trouble and you want to take a consultation about the stocks. So you cannot contact a discount broker. They will not provide you any kind of help. But if you open account with the full service broker, so they will provide you financial advisor personally. You can take advice, consultation from your personal relationship manager anytime during the office hours. Let's suppose I purchase the shares of Tata Motors. Now I want to sell it, but my stock is not going to sell due to some technical issue. So I can directly contact to my relationship manager and ordering them, please sell my stocks. I am not able to sell the stock from my mobile application. In that condition, my RM will sell my stocks. So this facility is provided by traditional broker, but the discount broker will not provide any kind of recommendations or any kind of personal relationship manager.
Okay,
That
sir.
is the reason traditional brokerage is higher and discount brokerage is very cheaper.
Okay, sir.
Now I have a question for you guys. There is a person who's very experienced in the stock market. He knows the technical and fundamental analysis. Now we want to open a demat account and he will be invest 1 crore rupees in the stock market. Could you please suggest that person by which broker he need to open an account, a discount broker or a traditional broker?
Sir, discount broker.
Discount broker.
Sir,
Let,
discount broker.
let's count the number. How many people are saying that discount broker? Raise your hand. Okay. Approximately 15-60 people saying that discount broker. Okay. Please put down your hands. How many people are saying that traditional broker will be suitable for that person? Raise your hand. Okay. Mano, could you please tell us why the discount broker is not suitable for that person? Mano, you raise hand with the traditional broker. Could you suggest me why you have raised your hand with the traditional broker? Okay, anybody can tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
because if he's investing a crore in stock market, if he will be needing any help, he can contact to the delegated his manager. He can get some extra help from a traditional broker instead of discount broker because he's investing 1 crore rupees. So he should get some extra. He will be needing some extra services, sir.
Okay, okay, all right. Why you people are saying that discount broker will be suitable?
Sir, because he himself is capable of doing the financial analysis and see what is best for him.
Sir, you
Yes,
mentioned he is very experienced in the
yes.
field, right? So,
He knows technical and fundamental analysis. It doesn't require any kind of recommendations. Okay, so
Sir,
yes, Krish.
sir, what is the demat account?
Yeah, I will tell you later on. The next chapter will be demat trading account. But right now, I just
Okay.
asking through which broker he need to open account. Okay, as per my opinion, that is my opinion. A traditional broker would be suitable for that person. The reason is that let's suppose that person opened the account with discount broker and his position already running in the market. He made a position in derivatives. So you know that derivatives very higher segment. The price is very volatile in that particular segment. Now their mobile application get stuck due to some technical issue, and maybe possible if other investor and trader also facing the same problem. In that condition, if the person trying to contact the help desk to square up their position, to close that position, so he may be in the queue because several people are trying to contact the help desk. In that condition, that person have a higher chances to get a losses due to technical issue. So what is the proper thing is that the proper thing is that that person need to open account with a traditional broker because traditional broker provide you a relationship manager services. If your mobile application get stuck, you are not able to place order by the mobile application, so you can directly contact to your RM or your manager. The manager will pick the call with a single ring and the place your order for the buy or sell. If your manager is not capable to square a position or is not picking your call, so you can directly contact to their branch number. If branch is not picking your call, you can contact to centralized number. If centralized number also not picking the call, so that person can directly go to their office, yes, their branch. And discount broker don't have any kind of offices in every city. They just have a headquarter in the major city, just like Zerodha, Angel One. Angel One office only Mumbai and Delhi. So you cannot directly go to their offices in a different city. But Swastika, Motilal Oswal, IC Director has a major offices in the big cities. So if you are not able to contact with telephonically or email, you can directly go to their offices. So that's the reason if person is big, their value is very high, so they need to open a demat account or trade account with the traditional broker. Due to the reason, lots of HNI trader, high net worth investors, opens account with the traditional broker, not a discount broker. But if I'm saying that that person is a very beginner, he knows he don't know about the market. Now, what will be the condition through which broker he need to open the account? Discount or traditional? If person is very beginner, can you suggest me? If person is very beginner, they don't know the stock market. By which broker he need to open the account?
Traditional broker.
Traditional.
Traditional. Because again he required some kind of recommendations, helps, suggestion and knowledge. But the person is moderate. He knows the stock market little bit. His intention to save the brokerages, not only the trading. He is only an investor. He want to invest for the long term. In that condition, they can open account with the discount broker. It
Sir,
depend your opinion. Yes, Krish.
sir, do we need to pay like a fee to the traditional brokers for helping us?
No, if you open the account with a traditional broker, you don't need require any kind of fee because all the services fee included in your brokerages. But you open account with a discount broker, so some broker may charge a premium services fees for the discount brokers.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
So all we need to pay is 0.03% of the deal we are doing.
Yes,
That's it.
whatever your trade value, you need to pay 0.03%. That is standard brokerage charges. It is not fixed. It also depends broker to broker and trader to trader. Let's suppose trader is high net worth investor. So the Swastika may charge 0.01% broker. So we will charge 0.03%. Depend on the trade value, depend on the turnover, or depend on the regular trading. Okay. So yes, Mahek.
So can you repeat that? Who are suggested to go for discount brokers?
If you are a moderate person, your focus is just to save the brokerages, and you are a long-term investor. You are not focusing to take extra services, and you are not so worry about that market. So in that condition, you can go with a discount broker, just like Zerodha and Jalvan Upstock. But you are a big trader, you are a big investors, you always worry about your positions, you require lots of services and lots of helping assistance. In that condition, you need to open account with a traditional broker.
Okay, so
But sir, all the beginner mainly start from discount broker like Zerodha stock. Yes, Nehal, because the beginner are focusing for the investment. Let's suppose you are. If you start your investment in stock broker, sorry, in the stock market, so definitely you can open a stock with the Zerodha or Angel One. But in that condition, definitely you will not invest 1 crore rupees or 2 crore rupees at the first stage. You maybe invest only 10,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, something like that. In that condition, you can prefer a discount broker. But if you are investing 1 crore rupees, 2 crore rupees, or more than, so definitely you will be choose a traditional broker. So it depend on the intention. What is your intention? If you want to take extra services, it doesn't matter how much brokerage charges by the broker, you can choose a traditional broker. But you need to save the brokerages, your intention is not so many investment in the stock market, you are just beginner, you can do by yourself all the things, in that condition you can prefer discount broker. If one is doing intraday, then one should go with the which broker? Again, Ashwarya, depend on trader to trader. If trader investing lots of money for the derivative or stock market, so they may choose a traditional broker. But the person is not investing so much money, they can easily take a trade by themselves on, so they can go to the discount broker. Now, our next topic is insurance broker. So the insurance broker is a broker who provide the facilities to purchase a good insurance policy. Let's suppose you are not able to find a good life insurance policy. In that relation, you can easily contact the insurance broker. They will analyze your current financial condition, health condition, and they will also assess your need and requirements. As per their need requirement, they will give you a better and best insurance policy. Just like Probus and Turtlemint, these are the insurance broker who provide you lots of services at a single platform. Now, the next broker is Forex broker. If you want to do trade in a currency market through the exchange, I repeat, if you want to trade in currency market through exchange, in that condition required a Forex broker. So Forex broker will give you platform to trade in currencies like dollar, euro, pound, and Japanese yen. In the Indian currency market, only four currencies are permissible to trade over exchanges: dollar, euro, pound, and Japanese yen. So you can trade only within four currency. But if you want to trade apart from different currency, so you need to trade with the different platform, just like Opta FX and any other platform. You cannot trade over the exchanges. Over the exchanges, only four currency are permissible.
So, sir, in forex brokers, only four currencies allowed.
Yes, if you do trade on the exchanges, only four currency are permissible: dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and pound. Only four currency are permissible. So generally, stockbroker is also known as a forex broker. If you open account with Zerodha, Angel, and Swastika, so you can easily trade with the forex and stock as well. So you don't need to open a different account for the forex currency broker. So I hope you may understand about the different kind of broker category. Now we will understand about the demat and trading account. So basically, demat and trading account both are a similar account. For the layman person, for the beginner, a demat and trading account is one account. But as an expert, as in market knowledge, as a market expert, you need to know about that demat account is different and trading account is different. Let's suppose I want to trade in the stock market. So I just go to the Swastika and ordering them, please open my account. So Swastika executive will direct you, please download the application from the Play Store by the name of Swastika. Now I download the mobile application Swastika, open my account with submitting the different kind of documents like mobile number, email ID, PAN, Aadhaar, bank statement, etc. Now my account is opened. So maybe I'm thinking that I just download only one mobile application, submitting my document, and my account is opened. But at the back side, the two account has opened, a demat account and a trading account. So what are the difference between demat and trading account? So demat account is used for the holding your long-term shares. If you hold your shares for the long time, 1 year, 2 year, 10 year, so you require a demat account. But if you do only intraday trading, you don't want to trade for the long time, So you can also not open a demat account. Demat account in that category not necessary. I repeat, for intraday trading, demat account is not compulsory, but for the long-term trading or long-term investment, demat account is necessary so that you can hold your electronic shares in a demat account. I just tell you a story. 20 or 30 year back, the shares was trading with physical mode. You purchase the shares with the physical certificate and you sell the shares with the physical certificate. There was no any kind of electronic trading happen. So the certificate is a proof of ownership in a company. If I purchase the Reliance shares at 20 year back, so I would have a certificate of deposits or certificate of shares. Now this is the proof of the shareholding. So I can keep in locker, in drawer, in bank lockers, or etc. But now exchange came with a different idea. They took technology in the stock market. Now all the physical shares converted into electronic format. And electronic format is not keeping in the mobiles, in not keeping in the pockets, lockers, and drawers. They require a different account, and that different account is known as a demat account. Like if you transfer your money from one account to second account, you require a bank account. Similarly, if you want to purchase the shares or sell the shares, you require a demat account. So demat account is only keeping the shares for the long term reason related to shares, ETF, mutual funds, and bonds. Nothing else. Demat account is not useful for so many things. It is useful only one thing, holding your securities for the long time reason. So what about the trading account? So trading account is account by which you can purchase the shares or sell the shares. You can add the funds in your account or withdraw the funds in your account. You can analysis of the charts, stocks, F&O or different category of segments. So trading account is similar like a mobile application. But in mobile application, there are also demat account enabled. So let's suppose I want to trade in commodity market. Do I require demat and trade account both? Can you tell me? I want to trade in commodity market. I want to trade in gold. Do I require demat and trade account both as well? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because gold is not a shares. A demat account is holding only for the shares category. I want to trade in intraday market. Do I require demat and trade account both?
No,
No, sir.
No. I want to hold the shares for the long term. Do I require demat trade account both?
no,
I repeat, I want to hold the shares for the long term. Do I require demat and trade account
Yes,
both?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So demat account is useful for holding your shares for the long term reason. But trading account is useful for
Yes,
purchasing
sir.
or selling the order placement. Demat account is opened by the NSDL and CDSL. NSDL is owned by the NSE and CDSL is owned by the BSC. Both are the depository. You may wondering about it. Let's suppose you open account with Swastika Investment Limited. You have a holding of 1 crore rupees. You invested at different shares for the long term reason. Due to some issues or due to some reason, the Swastika become bank corrupted or now Swastika gets shut down. So what about your shares? How can you retrieve your shares once your broker gets shut down? Is there any process?
Sir, we can
from the
claim
deposit.
them from depositories.
Exactly. So broker is only a mediator they will take a facility to invest in the stock market. They don't have a right of the shares. Your entire shares is keeping by the demat account which is opened by NSDL and CDSL. So if your broker gets shut down or run away, don't worry, you can retrieve your shares from the CDSL or the NSDL. That's why a stock market is very secure market. Your share will not go anywhere without the permission. You can easily retrieve it. So broker is only a mediator. Only a mediator. Why do they need document like ITR and bank statement for commodity derivative market? Hardik, uh, commodity and derivative market is a very riskier market. So exchange and SEBI made a rule. If you want to trade in commodity or derivative market, you need to prove that you are a earning person. Your income have a very good amount. So you need to submit the ITR and bank statement because they have a very riskier segment. So what is different between shares and a warrant? See, shares is different and warrant is different. Shares represent the ownership in a company. If I hold one share of Reliance Industry, so I'll become a owner of the Reliance Industry. Yes, I'll become a shareholder. I can participate in an annual general meeting. I can participate in the dividend. I can also enjoy different kind of corporate actions. But warrant is also different. What is penny stock? See, penny stock is just thing that is a very small companies. A small companies has a small share prices, so that is known as penny stocks. So whatever the price which is below 10 rupees, known as a penny stock. If company price is below 10 rupees, that is known as a penny stock. Just like a Reliance Communication, the price is running approximately 2 rupees, that is a penny stock. The idea share price running for 14 rupees, that is known as a penny stock.
So for if the company price is less than 10 rupees, it is penny stocks.
Repeat again.
If the company price is less than 10 rupees.
Yes, that is known as a penny stock. So warrant is a different thing. Warrant is a contract of purchasing, selling shares of different kind of stocks. If I purchase a shares, so I become a shareholder. But I made a contract of buying or selling of the shares. That is known as a warrant. So warrant is synonym of contract, and share is the representative of holding in a company. So then what MRF share are called? So MRF shares price running 1,50,000 rupees near about. So that is not coming in the penny stock. That is known as a regular stocks.
Sir, what is the full form of MRF?
Madras Rubber Factory. There's
So,
few people who know about the MRF full form. So MRF full form is Madras Rubber Factory. Yes, Aryan.
sir, if we open a demat account, we doesn't need a trading account.
No, trading account is compulsory. So that you can purchase or sell the shares. But demat account is useful to holding of the shares. If you hold your shares for the longer run, you require a demat account. But if you only trade on an intraday basis, you are trading in the commodity market, currency market, that trading account will be sufficient.
No, my question is, if we open a demat account, our all work of trading account will be done in that only.
Yes, exactly. I just give you another example.
Means
Let's suppose I'm
uh,
just giving another example, Aryan. So that
demat account is a wider term, and trading account comes in that.
yes, as
Okay,
I
sir.
give you example, a very short example, so that everybody can understand about the demat and trading account difference. I open an account with Swastik Investment Limited with demat and trade account both. Okay. Now, my wife is also open a demat and trading account. Okay. I also want to open a demat trading account in another broking firm. So I already have a demat and trading account in Swastika Investment Limited. Now I want to open a different account with a different broker. So I can just do, I can open only a trading account with Motilal Oswal and mapped my demat account with Motilal Oswal trading account. It means I don't require to open a different demat account with a different broker. I can open only one demat account and that can be mapped with a different broker. So whenever I purchase the shares from any of the broker, their shares will directly come into my demat account that is opened by with the Swastika Investment Limited. So demat account is only will be one, but trading account will be so many as per the broker's count. So trading account is just provided by the broker, but the demat account is provided by the depository, so you can hold your shares for the longer term. Are you getting my point, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just showing you another example, guys. Yes, Karan. Do you have any question?
So what is delivery?
Delivery means if you hold your shares for the long term, that is known as delivery. Maybe 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 years, or long or lifelong.
And so what is swing trading?
Swing trading means if you purchase the shares on today and you sell the shares on tomorrow, day after tomorrow, that known as a swing trading. If you purchase the shares on today and sell the shares tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that known as a swing trading.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am just giving you example, guys. Swastika. I open account with Swastika Investment Limited. My trading account number is SHPE1234. That is my trading account number. So by this trading account number, I can easily add my funds, withdraw my fund. I can easily my check laser balances, statements, or any of the things which is provided by a broker. Okay. I have a shares in my demat account. Now I want to transfer from my shares from one demat account to another demat account. In that condition, I need to give my demat account number. The trading account number will be not sufficient for the transaction. SHPE 1234, that is a trading account number. It is only used for adding the fund or withdrawing the funds. If I made a transactions in my demat account, then I need to pay or need to give my demat account number. So my demat account number would be 12345656789. Yes, that would be my demat account number. So trading account number and demat account number both will be different. SHP 1234, it is provided by the brokers, and 123456, it is provided by the CDSL. So when I made any transaction in demat account, I required a demat account number. Whenever I need any transaction between brokers account, I required a trading account number. Are you getting my point, guys?
So, sir,
Yes.
if I get your demat account number, so can I sell your shares and like
No.
not
That is
possible?
things you cannot sell your shares or my shares without permission. You have a certain authorization. So let's suppose you are an investor in Swastika Investment Limited. You open an account with Swastika. Now you didn't give any kind of authorization to Swastika, or you want to sell the shares, but you are not capable to sell the shares. So you just tell to your RM, sell my shares. So if you are not giving any kind of authorization to date to RM, even your RM cannot sell the shares without your permission or without your access. You need to give the authorization. So demat account is very safer. Nobody can sell the shares. Even your broker can also not sell the shares without your permission. You also required some kind of access or some kind of permission. And just giving you or showing you a different thing. This is the difference between demat and trading account. A trading account is opened by the broker, but demat account is opened by the depository. A trading account is gateway to enter in stock exchanges, but demat account required to hold your shares, hold your mutual funds, and hold your ETF. Maybe trading account will not any kind of AMC charges, but for the demat account, you need to pay account maintenance charges on yearly basis. It is taken by the depository. That is a mandatory charges. You also can take a screenshot of the screen. So in short, trading account is your mobile application. Through the mobile application, you can purchase the share or sell the shares. But demat account is account where shares will be delivered. Your shares will be keeping in the demat account. Just like मैंने स्वास्थ्य मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन से शेयर बाय करने का ऑर्डर प्लेस किया, तो ये जो ऑर्डर प्लेस हुआ है ये ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट से हुआ है, पर जो शेयर्स मेरे अकाउंट में आएंगे तो वो डीमेट अकाउंट के अंदर आएंगे। एक साल के बाद में मुझे अपने शेयर को बेचना है, तो मैंने अपने मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन से सेल ऑर्डर प्लेस किया, तो ये जो सेल ऑर्डर प्लेस हुआ वो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट से हुआ, पर जो शेयर निकलेंगे वो मेरे डीमेट अकाउंट से निकलेंगे। तो डीमेट अकाउंट इज माय वेयर हाउस एंड ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज माय शॉप। सिंपल डिफरेंस, a trading account is shop and demat account is a warehouse.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what are the mode of trading? So, through the broker, you can trade by the two modes: offline trading or online trading. Offline trading means you are calling your brokers to purchase or sell the shares, or you are visiting the broker office to purchase or sell the shares. But online trading means you are placing the order by the mobile application, by the website, or the terminal with the help of internet. So if you are using the internet, that count as a online trading. If you are not using internet but still giving the order, known as offline trading. So traditional broker provide both of the trading facility, but online broker provide one facilities, that is online trading. So these are the steps to open demat trading account with any broker. So if you choose offline method, so you need to submit the KYC document in the physical mode, and that will take 2 to 3 days to open your account. But if you choose online account opening process, so you can directly go to the broker website, or you can download the mobile application through the Play Store or App Store, and just submitting your online documents, and after 15 minutes your account will be open. So what are the mandatory documents to open a demat trading account? Number one, PAN card, and number second is Aadhaar card. PAN card and Aadhaar card is a mandatory document to open a demat trading account. Can minor open a demat account? As you are all are the minors. Can you open a demat trading account? Yes or no? Yes. Minor can also open a demat account, but you need to take help of your guardian. The guardian document will be required to open a demat trading account. But a minor can be invest in the stock market. They cannot be trade in the stock market. Once you get adult, once you get above the 18th of age, you can trade in the stock market along with the investments. So if you are a minor and you want to invest in the stock market, so you can take the help of your guardian, your parents, you can easily open a demat trading account. So why you need to open a demat trading account? You are a minor. So why I am focusing to invest in the stock market? See, I will be always recommending you, please go for the investment. Don't go for the trading. Investment is a safer in compared for the trading. So if you are investing at the earlier age, so you can easily achieve your financial goal at the early stage. You don't need require to wait for 50th or 60th. You can achieve your financial goal at the age of 30 or 40. As soon as possible, you will be investing in the stock market. You will be get earlier retirement or earlier financial goal achievement. That's why our financial program is focusing on the investment. Go for the investment. Whether you can invest in the mutual funds, golds, ETF, or even the stocks. Just invest it. Just invest it. I give you example. If a person would have invested in MRF in the year of 1990, so what amount will be required at the time for the one share? Near about 500 rupees. Yes. And the 1990, the MRF share was only 500 rupees. Now currently the share price is running near about 1,40,000 rupees. You can see the multifold growth in the shares. You don't know how much will be the shares in the next 10 years or 20 years. You don't know how will be the stock prices or Sensex Nifty in the next 20 to 30 years. So just invest on today itself. Yes, Krish.
Sir, what affects the growth of or the downward slope of the shares?
I already made a recorded video that factors affecting the stock markets. So there's several factors. You must have watched that video. Could you please tell me, guys, what are the factors which affect the stock market prices?
Sir, if a war happens in
War,
a
okay.
and if a company is not performing well,
Second, okay.
and if a company make a scam,
Make a scam, okay. Just like Saptam scam,
yeah.
okay. There are several reasons. The number one reason demand and supply. If company shares demand is very high, so the price will go upside. If company share demand is very low, the price will go downside. The second is company's performance. If company profit revenue is growing day by day, year by year, the investor would be more eager to purchase the shares. Financial condition of company, economy, currency, global market, inflation, government policies, industry inflation, industry growth. Let's suppose if the company is made a radio, can you guess it? The company will grow in the recent scenario. If company is made a radio, not so much. बिकॉज आज के तारीख में रेडियो कौन सुनता है? नो बडी. सबके मोबाइल के अंदर रेडियो का ऑप्शन है, वो मोबाइल से रेडियो सुन सकते हैं. बट इस कंपनी business involving in electronic bikes. They are making electronic bikes. So the company has a much bigger scope to growth, just like Ola Electricals. Ola Electricals का आईपीओ आया था अभी 5 अगस्त को, कुछ दिन पहले ही आया था. और उस दिन जब ओला इलेक्ट्रिकल्स का आईपीओ आया था, द प्राइस वाज 72 रुपीज. 72 रुपीज पर आईपीओ के लिए प्राइस बिडिंग लगाई गई थी. जिसको भी आईपीओ खरीदना है वो 70 रुपीज के प्राइस से आईपीओ ले सकता है. नाउ ओला इलेक्ट्रिकल्स का प्राइस चल रहा है विद इन 7 डे 140 रुपीज. 140 रुपये हो गया है. 7 दिन के अंदर ही प्राइस डबल हो गया है. द रीजन इज देट ओला इलेक्ट्रिकल्स की डिमांड है. हर कोई ओला इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक खरीदना चाहता है. तो डिपेंड ऑन द प्रोडक्ट, डिपेंड ऑन द इंडस्ट्री. अगर इंडस्ट्री आगे जाके ग्रो कर रही है सो कंपनी के शेयर प्राइस बढ़ेंगे, और इंडस्ट्री ग्रो नहीं कर रही है तो डेफिनेटली शेयर प्राइस बिकम डाउन. जस्ट लाइक रिलायंस कम्युनिकेशन, just like Idea, just like Yes Bank. These are the losing companies. Yes, Hardik. The total lot size required 14,000 approximately. but the one share price was only 72 rupees. Okay,
So what is
so
lot size?
the lot size was near about 200 shares. Let me check. Chittor third IPO. I am showing the screen. If you want to see any of the IPO, so you can see by this website. Just go to the IPO session, IPO dashboard. Now you may see the past and upcoming and the current IPOs. So there's a Ola Electric Mobility. When I click on it, so that is start on 2nd August and closes at 6th of August. So the share price was 72 rupees and the lot size was 195 rupees. Now you can see the current price of Ola Electrical. They are running about 126 rupees. The high was
So can you tell
136
something
rupees.
about Hyundai IPOs?
Which one IPO?
Hyundai.
Hyundai IPO. But there is no any Hyundai IPO showing in the screen. When it
Sir,
will be
because in
launched,
today's hour in the stock market, it's the biggest IPO release. Around 25,000 crores IPO was released by Hyundai.
let me check the details.
Sir, what is IPO?
IPO initial public offer. Whenever company want to raise the fund from the public, again the shareholding issuings, so they can take help of IPO. Yes, Hyundai IPO is coming near about 25,000 crore rupees of issue size, but the announce is not to be announced. It is in the pending. So when the announcement date will become, so that we can assume that the Hyundai IPO will be great or not. Because हर बार जब भी सबसे बिगर वाला आईपीओ आया है वो हमेशा कोलैप्स हुआ है. जस्ट लाइक एलआईसी बहुत सबसे बड़ा आईपीओ था, वो कोलैप्स हुआ. पेटीएम सबसे बड़ा आईपीओ था, वो कोलैप्स हुआ. तो इंडिया में जब
Reason?
जब सबसे बड़े, द रीजन इज दैट कि पेटीएम का आईपीओ बहुत ओवर वैल्यूड था, कंपनी की जितनी वैल्यू नहीं थी उससे ज्यादा का फंड रेज किया गया था. सिमिलर हैपन विद द एलआईसी.
So
सर
what
तो
do you think
पेटीएम
about the
स्कैम कर रहे
Hyundai's
थे.
IPO?
I didn't like research about the Hyundai IPO, so I need to research it. Then after I can give you suggestion कि ये अच्छा है या नहीं है. So
Sir,
in the
how
next live session, I'll give you opinion about myself कि basically ये क्या है और ये अच्छा है या नहीं है, क्यों अच्छा है और क्या बुरा है, वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन बताऊंगा. अभी तक मैंने इसको स्टडी नहीं किया है.
sir, how we can purchase IPO before it is coming in the stock market?
So there are two types of IPO: the mainboard IPO or pre-IPO. So pre-IPO is also available in the market. You can invest it, but if you are not taking so much risk for the pre-IPO, so once the IPO came in the market, you can invest in the buy online method. So you can easily invest through the demat account which opened by the broker.
Sir,
Just
sir,
like I want to invest in the Bajaj Style Retail Limited. One second, give me 1 minute. So Bajaj Style Limited IPO start from 30th August and closes the 3rd of September. So I've applied. So the allotment will be announced on September 1st. If I will be the luckiest person, so definitely I'll be take allotment. और अगर मुझे allotment नहीं मिलता है तो जो पैसा मैंने लगाया था वो मुझे रिफंड हो जाएगा. तो इट इज नॉट कंपल्सेशन कि अगर आपने किसी कंपनी का आईपीओ लगाया है तो आपको आईपीओ मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. दैट इज नॉट अ कंपल्सरी. ये आपके लक पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपका लक अच्छा है तो आपको आईपीओ मिल जाएगा, और अगर लक अच्छा नहीं है तो आईपीओ नहीं मिलेगा. जस्ट लाइक मी, मैंने ओला इलेक्ट्रिकल्स के 2 लॉट के लिए अप्लाई किया था, बट दैट वाज माय बैड लक और मुझे ओला का आईपीओ नहीं मिला. उसी के पहले टाटा कंसल्टेंसी का आईपीओ आया था, मैं उस टाइम पे लगाया था और मुझे आईपीओ मिल गया. टाटा टेक्नोलॉजी का आईपीओ आया था, मैंने लगाया था और आई वाज द लकी पर्सन और मुझे वो आईपीओ मिल गया. तो जरूरी नहीं कि अगर आपने किसी आईपीओ में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है तो आईपीओ आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. इट डिपेंड ऑन द योर लक. सो अगर आपको आईपीओ नहीं मिलता है तो ये 5 सितंबर को ये पैसा आपका रिफंड हो जाएगा. और जिनको आईपीओ मिला था उन्हें 5 सितंबर को उनके शेयर्स डीमेट अकाउंट में आ जाएंगे. और 6 सितंबर को ये आईपीओ लिस्ट हो जाएगा एनएससी और बीएससी पर, और वहां से उसकी ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. फिर डिपेंड ऑन डिमांड एंड सप्लाई द प्राइस विल बी गेट अफेक्टेड. और या तो प्राइस ऊपर जा सकता है या नीचे जा सकता है. यस, एनी क्वेश्चन?
Sir, as in Ola Electric, is it necessary to purchase a minimum quantity of 195 shares?
Yes.
Lot size.
Yes, this is a compulsion. You need to purchase at least one lot. You cannot invest it beyond the one lot. That's like lesser than one lot. It is compulsion.
So we can buy any quantity of shares, just like two to three shares.
2 to 3 shares after listing of the shares. जब वो शेयर्स लिस्ट हो जाएंगे मार्केट में उसके बाद 1 शेयर भी आप परचेस कर सकते हैं. बट ड्यूरिंग द आईपीओ यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट बाय द लॉट साइज.
Okay, sir.
So guys, I already made a video about the cash market, future market, option market. So you can watch that video, and that video I can elaborate in a very different way so that you will be understand about that cash, future, and option segment. If you have a question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wrap up this session. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining this session. We will meet in the next live session where we'll be discussing about the pocket money and different financial goals. And that would be a last class. So you can ask me any question related to entire concept of this market. So we will meet very soon in the next live session. Till the date, सारे recorded video watch कर रहिए, market को अच्छे से जानते रहिए, समझते रहिए. Thank you everyone.
Sir,
Yes, Arya.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Arya.
sir, can we get the PPT you have, these PPT you showed to us? Can we get the PPT?
Okay, not worry. I will share in the WhatsApp group. मैं WhatsApp group पे आपको share कर दूंगा. You can download it from there.
Yeah, sir. Can you send all PPTs of all classes?
All classes cannot be provided because मुझे check करना पड़ेगा. तो live sessions की वो मैं आपको provide कर दूंगा.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Yeah.
Sir.
Thank you everyone.
Sir. Sir. Hello, sir.